This is my son-in-law, Evan Parker. His page is Evan's Army in FB. On February 20th, 2026, our lives changed forever. He is the father of a 2-year-old, which is my grandson. He was doing tree work when his life changed completely. It shattered his neck and he became fully paralyzed. There's a lot of steps to get him to go home. So right now he's in Shepherd's Hospital and we're raising funds to continue his care in the state of Georgia. We are also rehabbing an area where it used to be a garage so he can come home and live in a place that is set up for him. If you find it in your heart, you can hit it in the comments and I can send over to you his GoFundMe. This has changed our lives. Please share with your loved ones and hit like and comment. Thank you.